In 2015, a farm in rural France was unlocked for the first time in decades, and what they found inside shocked the car world. 60 rare classic cars covered in dust, left untouched for nearly 40 years. Ferraris, Maseratis, even a car once owned by royalty. But the story behind this treasure trove is even stranger than the collection itself. Why would anybody hide away millions of dollars worth of cars and never come back for them? The collection was discovered after the death of Roger Baillon, a wealthy but reclusive French businessman. Auction experts were called to inspect his old farm buildings, and when they pried open the rusting doors, they couldn't believe their eyes. Rows of cars stacked bumper to bumper, some slowly sinking into the dirt floors. It was a time capsule frozen since the 1970s. This wasn't just any collection. Among the 60 cars were some of the rarest and most valuable classics in the world. So why were these cars left to rot? Roger Baillon was once a shipping magnate who dreamed of opening a car museum, but financial troubles in the 1970s forced him to sell part of his collection. The rest, he locked away, possibly hoping to finish his dream one day. But that day, it never came. So for nearly 4 decades, the barns sat untouched, collapsing around the cars, which Baillon lived out his final years in relative obscurity. The collection finally went to auction in 2015. It sparked a frenzy. The Ferrari 250 GT California Spider alone sold for $18.5 million, and the entire collection brought in more than $30 million. Collectors called it a once-in-a-lifetime discovery, a window into a forgotten golden age of motoring. But here's the question. How many other collections like this are still out there, sitting in barns, garages, or sheds? Could there be another treasure like this waiting to be discovered right now? If you could search one abandoned barn, what car would you hope to find? Tell me in the comments.